Hi, today I'm going to tell you what are location-based services and how can you use them and how can you benefit from them. So what are location-based services? They are usually mobile apps or mobile websites or just websites that use your location, either GSM signal or GPS. If you have a smartphone, they usually have GPS receivers inside, and you can share it with this website or application. So why would one even want to share his or her location? There are several reasons. First one is that they want to be social. They want to tell their friends where they are, what they do, and also on the other hand, you will see where your friends are. You can also, every app allows you to share it through Facebook or Twitter. So if you just check into any venue, then you're gonna see, for example, who's at the party today. Or there have been some apps developed from the check-ins. For example, you want to find a place where there are most women and men ratio is the best for you. Either you want to meet more women or more men. And you can see those venues close by. And you can also look at the map to see where your friends are to meet up, for example. The second reason is to belong to some kind of group or get badges or play those challenges and games what they offer. I'm going to walk you through later on with those apps, so you're going to see what every kind of app is special for and how can you use them. But the example here would be the US voting or elections just recently, where one can sign in at the election office and gets a badge that I voted. For example, you belong to the group with those 20,000 people who have voted. So the third one would be to read reviews and discover new places. For example, when you're walking around the city, you just open the application, location-based application, and you will find places close by. You can read reviews, either this one is a good restaurant or a bad restaurant, tips and tricks what you should keep in mind when you go to a restaurant, and also you can find new places for yourself if you want. And the fourth one is a really new one which just came out or was announced recently, several days ago, is deals. So if you walk around the city, you want to open your check-in app, you will see deals, local deals, and you maybe want to hop in. Either, on the other hand, if you don't have the app, you never know that there was a deal going on. So who are the biggest players and how do those apps look like? Actually, they're all built to iPhone. Most of them are built on Android as well, and some of them are built for RIM and Nokia. But for example, Facebook Places can be used also through the web browser, so there's really no limit to the phone you have. First of all, I'm going to show you Foursquare, which started in 2008, and the development was started, actually Koala was the first one who started, but it was really difficult to use, and then Foursquare came on board. Today Foursquare is one of the biggest location-based service, offers the service to 4 million users. Just recently got this number, but let's go to Foursquare and I walk you through. For example, I'm just in a place now. I see my friends here. Their recent activity. Their recent activity, where they've been, what they're up to. I can also have a look at that on map if I would like to. Then I go to places and I see, oh, there's the Box New University. I can check in here. I can type a message if I want. I want to share it with friends or not. I can check in here. It's updating. It's updated. So now I see all the other friends or people who are at Box New University at the moment. So I can get tips here. For example, I go to all tips. It will show me the places close by. For example, Noodle Nation, someone says great food, great prices. If I'm going to pass by, I'm going to read this. Probably I'm going to pop by and get some food. I can create a to-do list for myself, where the places I want to go, and this is my profile. Foursquare also gives you badges, several badges. As I told you, the I voted badge that's recently really popular. I'm the newbie. You can be adventurer, explorer, superstar, vendor, crunkled, and you can get several badges. And you can also reach mayorships when you're visiting several places really often. So the second one would be Gowalla, which is a really big competitor to Foursquare, also available on iPad. The system is similar. You got your own activity, you got your friends' activity here, you got spots, nearby spots where I can check in. For example, I check Box New Uni again. I've already actually checked in here, so I've already checked in. But I can add a photo to this place, and then which will remind me the place where I was on that time. I can check the photo anytime. I can do trips, which is why Gowalla is a bit different. For example, London Tourist Trot. I will click on it, and it will show me all the locations where I should go to see the most important places in London. So it's like a tour guide, or can be used as a tour guide. And also I've got a passport here where I have all my badges and pins and stamps that I've earned. And the game here, what you can play to make it more interactive, is the items I'm carrying. You can drop your items, and you can just randomly pick up other items. If I'm going to drop my teddy bear here, it will be like virtually dropped here. But actually when someone comes here and checks in here, then she or he can pick it up from here and get a teddy bear. Or I can find randomly another place, I don't know, a scarf, for example, and pick it up. So I got some items which you can change, and then you can follow the item where it's been. For example, it's been in US, it's been in Europe, it's been in Asia. It's kind of to make it more exciting, but Gowalla actually has only round about 500,000 users, so it's approximately now more than 500,000, but 4 or 5 times smaller than Foursquare. Now we're going to Scavenger, which is kind of location-based application which tries to differentiate because they offer all kinds of games and challenges. For example, when you go to the place, then you can check in here. You can do social check-in by bumping together with your friend's phone. You can snap a picture. You can see the activities. In this case, you don't have any activities, but usually you have a challenge like when you go to eat something, you have a challenge. You have to wrap it up in a certain way, or make a figure and make a picture, and therefore a challenge with your friends there. So there are games that you can make up really easily online. So it's made really easy, and to make the location sharing more exciting and more challenging for you. The other one is Looped. Looped is good for this one, that you can see your friends on a map. So I'll see, alright, there we go. There's one of my friends. Alright, I see he was in Crown Plaza, 3.9 miles away to south on the 1st of November. So I can actually follow my friends on map, and it can also remind me if some of my friends will be close by. It will remind me, send me an instant message that, hey, he or she is close by, you can meet up. So why not? Alright, but the new player in the market who just recently opened up its API to all the developers, all the other location-based services, is Facebook Places. Facebook Places offers you a similar thing. It doesn't give you any badges, but if you go to Facebook, here it has a new badge called a new tab called Places. You can check in here, and you see all the places. It's really easy when you type on Box New Uni. I can just easily check. I had a message if I want, but I can check in here. Also, I can tag friends here or add photos to this specific location. But the new thing which came to Facebook recently was that they're gonna add deals. So if, for example, Wagamama or Nando's is a local business that wants to offer a really good deal for me, for example, they're gonna offer me the first visit 25% off. So if I'm gonna check in their base, I'm gonna just get 25% off. They can do a deal like every 5th check-in, I'm gonna get the whole food for free. So I need to be there 5 times. And then the 5th time I can check in and show them, hey, I'm here 5th time, will you give me the free food? And all those businesses can really easily upload their deals online. So for example, they're going to offer a deal only when you go there with 3 friends, you're going to get free chips or something like that. Or if you go alone, you will get just 10% discount. and you can create those deals online on Facebook page. It's actually only available at the moment in the US, but it's going to be available to the whole world and Europe soon. So it's something to be waiting for, because businesses can really easily, without paying for coupon companies or any other middlemen, just directly upload their deal. Someone comes close to their business, they can get a deal, come in, and maybe find a new place where they really want to go. Actually, there are loads of more players on the market, including Yelp and Whirl and so on, but they all do kind of similar thing, and they're overlaying their services. So what does the future hold for location-based services? First of all, it's going to be a really great place to offer specials and deals. So the way that Facebook sees it is it's going to be a local deal platform. So that's going to be the first one, which is going to be really important, and that's where Foursquare is heading towards as well. The second one will be the brand discovery and personal recommendations. So based on the places that I've checked in so far, it will give me recommendations where I should go next, which places should I visit, what should I do there, so that my location will be really personalized, and I will get together with people with same interests, and maybe I will find myself new brands or places to go. And yeah, it's developing really quickly, so everything's happening in months. So it's been only 2 years since the first application was launched, and we've reached already so far. So we'll see how far it goes, and you can share your experiences in the comments. And if you have any questions, just discuss in the comments and I will answer you. All the best.